Hey there, I'm Wendy Margolin, and I help service providers stand out online with content marketing. I am back here to show you how to create your own logo in Canva. So you could spend a lot of money and a lot of time creating your logo, or you could do it yourself. So I encourage you, if you don't have the time or the money to hire an agency or a graphic designer to send you a ton of options, and you're not a perfectionist, if you're like me, you're not a perfectionist and you like taking just messy action, I encourage you to go ahead and don't let this hold you back from getting your website up or getting your business started. So, or if you just really have a logo that you can't stand and you want to make a new one, this is for you. I'm going to share my screen here. And here we go. Okay, so I'm going to go into Canva, and this is my Canva homepage. Again, I encourage you to get the Canva Pro. It's going to give you a lot more features in here. So from this homepage, I can go to create a design like I always would and pick on a logo. Okay, it's loading, and here I have a ton of options. So this one's for me. It kind of knows my style because I've used Canva so much. But if you're new here, maybe it doesn't, and maybe you pick something else. And you just go down and get a sense of what looks like your style, a good place to start. So I'm in marketing, but actually I'm a big coffee fiend, and I kind of like that look and feel. So I'm going to take a look over here and see if there's something that kind of speaks to me. Yeah, so let's start there. So now I already have my brand colors and my brand fonts. So you should make sure to add that, to start there. And I have other videos to show you how to do that. But I'm going to play with my brand colors, and I'm going to try this one. And then I'm obviously not a coffee shop, so I've got to find a different element. I'm going to go to elements, and I'm going to look for things that are me. So I am Sparker, so I'm going to go with Spark. Okay, I could use one of these. Let's say I'm not loving any of these. I kind of like that. But let's just say for these purposes that I am going to go with this simple one over here. I'm going to get rid of this guy. It's grouped, so I got to ungroup it. I'm going to put it here. I'm going to drag it to make it smaller. And then I'm going to change it to my brand colors. I like that orange. And let's say I need a little texture to it. I think that's a little boring. So I'm going to copy and paste it. I'm going to put another one right under it and change its color to a different one of my brand colors. And now we've got something kind of cool and different. Okay, you don't have to love that. I don't love it. It's not what I would ultimately end up using, but you see how I did that. Then I'm going to change this to my font, which again, in the other video, I've shown you how to put fonts into your folder. So let's do that. And I'm going to make that 2 lines. I just typed my last name. And then I'm going to make this one, my font is this one. All right, and I don't want that italicized. I'm going to change those colors. And here we go. And boom, I got a logo. Now let's say I want something like, well, we don't want coffee shop. I would say content marketing. I would think of something more clever, but I'm going to get rid of this. And let's say I want something like, I want my logo in a circle. Here we go. Now we got it in the circle. And I'm going to send this to back. Okay. All right, and let's say we want a circle with the ring around it, like this style instead. So then it would just be this. This looks a little more logo-like, so I'm going to go with that. Okay, so that was a quickie version of a logo, and you're going to download it as a ping. A ping lets you get this transparent background. So then all you have the logo and you don't have this white back here. Another thing I always like about having one element is that I can take this out and make it really tiny. And I could have this. I'm going to grab just this icon here. And then I can have just this part be sort of a watermark in the corner of my videos. You can see that on my video right now. So something like that. So that is how you do a logo in Canva. I hope that helped you. If you end up creating something, I would love to see it. And I'm always happy to give feedback when I can. So definitely reach out and stay tuned. I will keep working with you on everyday marketing. If you are enjoying the content that you're seeing in here and you know another small business owner, solopreneur, entrepreneur, service provider who could use this, I would really appreciate it if you would share it. Thank you.